Good morning students. Now we are going to discuss about the classification of animals, that is animal kingdom. R.H. Whitaker proposed 5 kingdoms classification. These are kingdom Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. But now we are going to discuss animal kingdom. What is the difference between animal kingdom and kingdom Animalia? In animal kingdom, all animals are included, whereas in kingdom Animalia, all animals without unicellular animals are included in kingdom Animalia, but here in animal kingdom all animals are included. The animals are divided into protozoa and metazoa. Clear? Protozoa, example amoeba. The metazoa divides into according to cellular organization, that is level of organization, may be cellular or may be tissue, organ or organ system. May be cellular or tissue, organ and organ system. Cellular level and tissue, organ or organ system level. Cellular level, example parazoa. Otherwise it is called porifera. Parazoa, otherwise called porifera. It is called eumetazoa. The animal kingdom divides into protozoa and metazoa. Metazoa divides into cellular grade organization, tissue, organ or organ system grade of organization. These are parazoa or porifera and eumetazoa. The eumetazoa again divides into according to symmetry, that is radiata and bilateria. Means radial symmetry and bilateral symmetry. The radiata is again of two types. These are cnidaria and annidaria. In the cnidaria, we will study Coelenterata phylum. And in annidaria, Ctenophora. The example is Hydra, and here the example is Ctenoplana. Clear? Parazoa or porifera and eumetazoa. The eumetazoa divides into according to symmetry, radiata and bilateria. The radiata is of two types, Coelenterata and Ctenophora. Similarly, the bilateria divides into based on the body cavity or coelom. These are acoelomate, pseudocoelomate and eucoelomate. These are acoelomate, pseudocoelomate and eucoelomate. Acoelomate means coelom is absent. What is coelom? What is symmetry? And what is level of organization? We will discuss in the other classes. Clear? Acoelomate means coelom is absent or body cavity is absent. Pseudocoelomate, a false body cavity present, and eucoelomate, true coelomate. Acoelomate One phylum includes, that is Platyhelminthes, that is Platyhelminthes, and in Pseudocoelomate, Aschelhelminthes, and the Eucoelomate divides into two categories based on the nature of the coelom. Based on the nature of coelom. Clear? These are schizocele and enterocele. Schizocele and enterocele. Clear? These are schizocele means the coelom is formed by splitting of the mesoderm, and enterocele the coelom is formed as pouches. In Platyhelminthes, example is planaria. In Nemathelminthes or Pseudocoelomate, Aschelhelminthes or Nemathelminthes, the example is Ascaris. Clear? Schizocele. Here three phylums are included. These are Annelida, Arthropoda, and Mollusca. Annelida, Arthropoda, and Mollusca. Clear? Annelida, example earthworm. Arthropoda, one of the example is cockroach, and Mollusca, one of the example is Unium. Similarly, the enterocele divides into Echinodermata, Hemicrodata, and Chordata. Clear? Echinodermata, Hemicrodata, and Chordata. Echinodermata, example starfish. Hemicrodata, example Balanoglossus. Clear? These are all about the invertebrates. Phylum Protozoa. Second is the phylum Porifera. Third, phylum Cnidaria. Fourth, Cnidaria or Ctenophora. Fifth, Platyhelminthes. Sixth, Nemathelminthes. Seventh, Annelida. Eighth, Arthropoda. Ninth, Mollusca. 10, Echinodermata, and 11, Hemicrodata. Now we are going to discuss for the Chordata. Clear? Here phylum Chordata. The Chordata divides into Protochordata. Protochordata and Vertebrata. Protochordata means here vertebral column is absent. Besides this vertebral column, notochord is present. The Protochordata divides into Urochordata and Cephalochordata. One of the example is in Urochordata, Hedmania, and here Amphioxus. here Amphioxus. Clear? The vertebrata divides into Agnatha and Gnathostomata. Agnatha and Gnathostomata. Agnatha means jaw is absent, that is circular mouth. Jaw is absent. Here the mouth with jaw, upper jaw and lower jaw. Here jaw absent, Agnatha. That is Cyclostomata. The example is Myxin or Petromyzon. Gnathostomata similarly divides into Pisces and Tetrapoda. Pisces and Tetrapoda. Clear? The Pisces here, Pisces, it is of two types. Number one, Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. The Tetrapoda again divides into class Amphibia, class Reptilia, class Apes and class Mammalia. Clear? The Gnathostomata divides into Pisces and Tetrapoda. The Pisces are of two types, Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. Chondrichthyes, the example is Scoliodon. Here the example is Rohu. Similarly, the Tetrapoda divides into Amphibia, Reptilia, Apes and Mammalia. Clear? Amphibia, Reptilia, Apes and Mammalia. Amphibia example frog, Reptilia example snake, Apes means birds, and Mammalia example man. In the birds, several examples are found. Example crows. Clear? This is all about the chordata. Chordata divides into protochorda and vertebrata. Protochorda, here notochord is present. In vertebrata, the notochord is replaced into vertebral column. In another classes, we will discuss what is level of organization, what is symmetry, what is coelom, what is notochord, and on what basis these are classified. Clear? All these are all about the classification of animal kingdom. Thank you.